How to fix FPL app not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix your FPL app if it is not working. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your FPL app is fully updated. For that, you want to open up the Play Store application and search for Premier League official app. Here, you want to tap on the update option if it is available. Once the application has been fully updated, any bugs in the app will be fixed and you will be able to use the FPL app without any issue. Now, if you are not able to still use the FPL application, next thing you want to do is open up your settings, tap on apps, scroll down and find the PL app and tap on this. Now, tap on the storage option, tap on clear cache. Then tap on clear data and tap on the delete option. Once both data and cache has been deleted, head back. Now tap on permissions. Make sure that you have allowed all the permission that is required. Once that is done, open the PL application and check if your issue is fixed. If not, there is still one more thing you can do, which is to uninstall the application, then install it again. After the reinstallation, your PL application should be working. To check if the issue is with the FPL server, you can open up any web browser. Then search for Down Detector and head over to downdetector.com. Over here, you want to search for FPL, and if there is any issue with the FPL server, you can very easily see it from here. If there is no issue with the server and you're still facing this issue, then the last thing to do is to contact the FPL customer service. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.